Check this home out. It is absolutely stunning. I'm in the Brownwood area on Underwood Drive, which is in Lake Deaton, and we're in the middle between Buena Vista and Morse, south of 466A, but north of 44. This is 3860 Underwood. It is a 3-2 Iris, completely updated, brand new roof, 23 HVAC, and a gorgeous kitchen. I'm Robyn Cavallaro, I'm a realtor here in Florida. We're gonna go take a look around at this home tour, and it could be yours. Wait till you see the outside. They've got a kickin' outdoor grill and bar. It's amazing outdoor kitchen. It's very cool. So let's go on in and take a look around. All right, beautiful leaded glass door. I'm gonna take my flip-flops off. Come in immediately to the left. We have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, pocket door. We have tile floor and then LVP, which I love because that looks like my house. Linen closet, bathroom. That's the only cabinet that didn't get redone this year, but everything else has been updated, and wait till you see that kitchen. Nice tile shower, high ceilings. This home has no bond. Bond has been paid in full, and we are probably 2.5 miles to Brownwood. And this is Sumter County tax. This isn't Sumter Wildwood, so your taxes are gonna be a little bit lower, and you do not have a bond. I'm gonna put all the information about the updates in the flashing across the bottom. This home is being listed for $699,000. You do have a nice partial water view. This is the front bedroom. LVP and a closet. That's a queen. You can comfortably fit a king size bed in here. It's nice and airy, and it has a tray ceiling. All right, and why are they selling? That's going to be the next question. Well, these are friends of mine, and they have family in their 20s. And they're up in Maryland, and they've decided that, they want to spend more time up there being near their family. So their loss is your gain. I know it was a hard decision for them to sell this place, but there is the coat closet everyone's looking for. There's Todd, the photographer. I caught him. So what they did here is, this is always I don't want to say awkward, but unusual space. Do you make it a dining room, game room? They've turned it into a bar area, coffee station. They've got a little refrigerator there. You can put wine, water, whatever drinks. And that's granite white. The furniture does not convey. They're taking it home with them to Maryland. You got crown molding, and they have this wall architecture that they did, and there's one also in the bedroom. This is super cool. I really like that design. You can see that big outdoor space, but look at the kitchen. You have a big island, granite countertops, gray cabinets, and white on the uppers, and behind me are white. And this is the Brownwood area, so there is no natural gas here. They do have a grill with propane, but this is electric here. Oven looks good. Big pantry. Got a lot of space in here. Wait till you see that. We'll go out there in a minute. And 2-car and a golf cart garage. This is on a cul-de-sac. It's just at the top of the cul-de-sac. Alrighty. Take you in and get another big shot of the living room, and I'll take you into the primary suite. Again, remember, there is no bond here. That's about probably $17,000, $18,000 savings. But you can see that they did the same piece on the wall in here that's out in the living room, but this is painted blue, so it stands out. It's so pretty. Go into the bathroom, big walk-in closet. Lots of closet organizers. Dual vanity sinks that have been redone, quartz countertops in the bathrooms, and these are white cabinets. Separate water closet with a pocket door. And this is a Roman shower. She did put a door on here because she felt it's warmer, which I would agree. I've been in these Roman showers and they can get a little cold, but there is a door here. It goes in. And there's tile in the bathroom. This looks like the tile I have in my shower. All right, let's go take a look outside. I'll take you into the garage. Uno momento. All right, look at this space. If you like to entertain, this is the spot for you. So you have a built-in bar with a grill, full outdoor kitchen, and then you can sit out here in the hot tub. They have some privacy with the bushes, and you can overlook the water. And there are lights built into the bird cage, so it has nice, you know, just little subtle lighting at night. Power. They have a big yard. You, I mean, technically you would have to dig this up with room for a pool back here, but sorry, put the covers, uncovered everything there. But they got this from Paradise Grills, which is up at Lake Sumter Landing. You have a fridge, you have the grill, countertops, storage, refrigerator. This is an awesome space. And the roof is a 26 roof. They just had it installed. The hot tub will remain, but all the other furniture is going with the owners.
Check that out.
HVAC is 23. Oh yeah, and look, they've got screens, privacy screens there. So this controller works both sliding glass doors, and they have one in the garage. All right, let's go out and take a look at the garage.
There you go. Bonus.
Interior laundry room. And there you go. Let's so you see a lot of room out here. 2 corner cart, epoxy floor. There's a Nova water filter. Pull down steps. There's a TV out here. Owner works out in the garage sometimes, and utility sink. So you can see, look, you can fit plenty of everything in here. And I will have measurements for the garage. I know I've caught like 3 people looking for these garages that are extra large, but I will measure the garage from the wall to the inside of the garage door so you know what you can fit in here. All right, go back inside. Take a look around outside. If you're looking for a pre-owned home, remember you do need MLS and VLS to see everything. So make sure that you take care of yourself that way and you have both of us working for you to find the right property. And you have the pattern concrete. And this is not a through road, so you're not gonna get traffic down here. This is, if you live here, you're coming down here. Nice side yard. Great landscaping, beautiful home. You can see the garage door screen, right where the tip of my finger is there on that garage. Whole home gutters. All right, gonna do a recap. And then I'll say goodbye. So tell me, what do you think? It's a nice, beautiful home here in the Villages. I am super excited to have this listing. It can be yours. And that beautiful view, you can start cooking for your friends outside or just enjoying the lifestyle. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for joining me on this home tour of 3860 Underwood in the village of Lake Deaton, not Lake Denham. This is Lake Deaton. So we are in the BROWNWOOD area, $699,000, no bond, totally updated. I'm your girl. You want to make an offer, or if you want to take a tour. And if you like this home, you should maybe check this next one out. You might like that one too. So until next time, I'll see ya.